Looking for an affordable and efficient way to turn your regular TV into a smart TV? The Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite might be just what you need. This handy device offers a quality streaming experience without breaking the bank. But as with any product, there are pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, the Fire TV Stick Lite is attractively priced and easy to install. Simply plug it into your TV's HDMI port, power it with the included USB cable, and follow the on-screen instructions. The user interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it a breeze to navigate through the various apps. Speaking of apps, the Fire TV Stick Lite supports a wide variety of popular streaming apps such as Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, and Spotify, ensuring users have access to a vast range of content. And let's not forget the included remote control, which makes navigating and controlling the device even more convenient. However, there are a few things to bear in mind. While the Fire TV Stick Lite includes voice control, it lacks the advanced voice control found in more expensive models like the Fire TV Stick 4K. This means that certain specific commands might not be supported. The Fire TV Stick Lite supports full HD streaming but not 4K resolutions, so if you're after superior image quality, you might need to consider more advanced models. The quality of your streaming experience may also depend on the speed of your internet connection, and slower connections may result in delays or buffering. Lastly, the Fire TV Stick Lite has limited internal storage, which could be a consideration if you plan to download and store a lot of apps or offline content. In conclusion, the Fire TV Stick Lite is a solid choice for those seeking an affordable and easy-to-use streaming solution. Its pros outweigh the cons, especially for those without specific requirements in terms of video quality or advanced voice control features. So, why not give it a try and transform your regular TV into a smart TV today?